What's the meaning of bow tie? Bow tie. Bow tie.
Bow tie. Bow tie. A bow tie is a type of necktie typically worn with formal attire, such as a tuxedo. It consists of a ribbon of fabric tied into a symmetrical shape around the collar of a shirt. The knot forms two loops, or wings, which project from either side of the neckline. Bow ties are often seen as a fashion statement, and can come in a variety of styles, materials, and patterns. They have been popularized by various celebrities and cultural icons throughout history, and continue to be a staple of formal wear and style today.